So let me just start with the first entry, first row entry. Currently I am not crashing anything. The first stage is not, so none activity is crashed. BEG is of 20 weeks. ADG is 22 weeks. ACF is 19 weeks. Crashing cost is not applicable. If you add all the direct costs from the first table, the normal cost, it will come to 55k, right? So these are the total costs which we will capture here. Project duration is obviously the longest path which is there. So this is 22 weeks. These calculations we will do later. The further calculations, these three columns we will do later. So we will start with the first crashing. Now we will also look at the crashing. We will always crash the critical activity. So we can crash A, we can crash D, we can crash G. Now we have to calculate the crash cost. So I have done it. We have to do it here. For all the activities, we have to calculate the crash cost, which is nothing but delta T upon delta C. For example, in this, so it will be delta C upon delta T, right? So how much is the cost we are going to require for 1 day crashing? So here 16 minus 10, 6 divided by 9 minus 6, 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So quickly if you just calculate 2, 3, 1, 5, 2 and 5. So these are the cost slopes which we are going to use. And currently we are concentrating on the critical activities which are ADG. So ADG we require for A, the cost slope is 2, for D cost slope is 5 and G cost slope is 5. So we will always take the lowest of the three. So we are going to go for activity A to crash first. So my first activity we will enter here, that activity A will be crashed, right? So in this BEG there is no A, so this will remain as same as 20. Here there is A, so this will get reduced by 1, 21. Here there is A, so it will get reduced by 1, so it will become 18. The crashing cost is the cost slope, which is for A it is 2. So when I add this, it will become 55 plus 2, 57, and project duration will be 21. Right. So now here in the diagram I will show 9 has become 8. Right. And for A I can go up to 6 weeks, because crashing maximum possible is 6 weeks. Right. So my next choice, again for the next choice I will go look at the maximum. The maximum is still ADG. That is the maximum. So I will have the same combination A or D or G. So again I will go for activity A ka crashing. So this one will still remain same. This one will become 20. This one will become 17. The cost is 2 and this will become 59, and this cost, the time for the project will become 20 weeks. Now I will have to do the options tables, because now I will have two activities which are getting same length, highest length. So both the ADG is also critical, as well as BEG will be critical. So what are the options I have? So let me make stage 3 options, right? So I can do B with A, right? B with A and B is one option. A with E is another option. A and E is another option, because when I just crash one, this one will still remain longest. So I have to crash here also and one of the here also, or I have to crash the common, right? So A and B, or A and E, or D and B, or D and E, or G. So any of this combination will give me a reduction in the total duration. So A and B will cost me total, if I crash A as well as B, it is going to cost me 5. Here I am going to spend 4. D and B, I am going to, this is the addition of cost slopes. Here I am going to spend 8. Here I am going to spend 7. Here I am going to spend 5. So obviously my choice is to go for A and E in my stage 4. So let me write here A and E. So here this will get reduced because of E to 19. This will, because of A, it will get reduced to 19. This will also get reduced to 16 because of A. The cost is 4. So 59 plus 4, 63. And the project duration has come to 19. Okay. Now A has got reduced from 8 to, it has come to 7. And E has got reduced from 7 to 6. And they still have a number of days available for crashing. So we will go ahead in my next. Now we will see here the options for the stage 4, right? After I have crashed A and E, right? The stage